Welcome to the Clipper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to increase the volume of your laptop speaker on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, what you have to do is just go to your search and search for Control Panel. From the best matches, you'll find Control Panel. Just open it. And from here, you'll find Sound. Just open up Sound. From here, you'll find your speakers. Make sure you're on the Playback tab. And here you'll find speakers. Just select them and click on Properties. Now from here, just go to Levels and make sure to set it to the highest, the max possible level. Then just go to Enhancement. If you don't see this Enhancement tab, you should go ahead and upgrade your audio drivers at first. Then come here and make sure this is not checked, because if it's checked, you cannot change anything from here. Make sure this is not checked. Then just check the last one. Then just click on Apply, click on OK. Click on OK again and close this. And basically that is how to increase the volume of your laptop speaker on your Windows 10 laptop or desktop computers. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.